Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Hector with Meistergram, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to hoop a shirt. We'll need our hoop, a shirt, piece of stabilizer, and we have some tailor chalk here to mark our center point. Start by taking your shirt and laying it on a flat surface such as a table. For this demonstration we'll be hooping the left chest. In order to find the center point for our shirt, I'm going to take this shirt and start by locating the edge of the collar. I'll come down and I'll line that up with the first button. We will make this our center mark. There are many resources online that you could use in order to find the center for the particular shirt that you are embroidering. Next we'll take our hoop ring as well as a sheet of backing. For this demonstration, we'll be using cutaway 2.5 ounce backing. We'll lift the front of the shirt and insert the hoop ring with the backing, making sure that the backing is on top and will be touching up against the inside of the shirt. Carefully press over the hoop ring, allowing you to see where the edges of the hoop ring are, until you could slide it over and center it as best as possible to the center of the hoop ring. Next we'll take the top of our hoop. The hoops for the PR 1500 are reversible. I'll first locate the inside top of our hoop ring, and I'll compare the center of the hoop to that of the mark. This is the right time to make a final adjustment for the position of the hoop. Now, press the front part of the hoop down into the top part of the hoop ring, holding it down with your fingers. To lock the hoop in place, simply press on the bottom part of the hoop using your palms. Make sure you don't have any slack on the material, as well as making sure that the backing is caught on all four corners of the shirt. And now it's time to take it over to the machine and embroider it. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit like if you like the video, and follow us for other tutorials. Goodbye.